How to use a Firestick on your computer. Have you ever bought Firestick 4K gadget lately and you're questioning if you should use Firestick on laptop computer or MacBook? If that's the case, you then got here to the suitable place, as that is the query that I've been requested by a lot of my guests. Though after I purchased it for the primary time, I used to be additionally serious about it, however by no means give it a strive. However, after I noticed too many requests from my guests, I believe to make a whole information on it. On this manner, I begin looking for attainable methods to attach my Fire TV on home Windows and even on MacBook. After looking for a number of hours, I lastly discovered completely different strategies that can be utilized to attach Fire TV, share Fire TV storage, mirror display screen, and so forth. If you wish to learn to carry out these completely different strategies, then don't neglect to learn this text till the top. Can I use Firestick on my laptop computer/laptop? This query is sort of difficult as a result of, in case you are asking if you should use Firestick straight utilizing the HDMI port on the laptop computer, then the reply might be no, you possibly can't. The reason being easy, as a result of Fire TV works like a small PC having an output HDMI itself. Equally, most laptops and computer systems have the identical output HDMI ports, which might be used for exterior screens. On this manner, in the event you join an output to an output HDMI, you gain have the ability to see any response from there, and it gain show something both. Nevertheless, there may be another manner that you should use to show a Firestick display screen on a laptop computer or PC utilizing Hdmi Splitter. This splitter works as a display screen mirroring software between your TV and your PC, which suggests you cannot straight use this gadget, but maybe to make use of the Fire TV without even utilizing your TV, then it's best to use the HDMI video Cs as a substitute. That is used to transform your output HDMI port into an enter, so you have to join it utilizing the USB port, after which you possibly can boot Firestick 4K on the laptop computer immediately. How to use Firestick on laptop computer. As I discussed earlier, that there are two methods to make use of Firestick on a laptop computer, that's utilizing Hdmi Splitter or Hdmi video Cs. These each are completely different instruments. Like Splitter is used to show the identical display screen on two screens, whereas video Cs is used to transform output to enter. Because of this, you have to be cautious whereas selecting your gadget and ensure to learn the evaluation beneath. By studying this, you'll get in concept if these units are price shopping for or not. Hdmi Splitter. Hdmi Splitter is a tool that's used to attach two screens on the similar time, show the identical display screen on each. There are numerous splitters out there on the market, however Palaken is without doubt one of the finest that helps 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p and so forth. Palaken helps varied units together with Firestick 4K, Roku, Apple TV, home Windows, Mac, and so forth. This gadget is manner sooner as in comparison with every other, and the most effective half is it helps Dolby Atmos audio. Moreover, it shares each audio and video on each units concurrently with none challenge. One other factor that I cherished about this product is the value that's fairly reasonably priced. HDMI video Cs. Now let's speak about an alternative choice to make use of Firestick on a laptop computer or MacBook utilizing an HDMI video Cs. This product is made by Panaraxi and is my favorite gadget of all time. Identical to Hdmi Splitter, this gadget does help varied platforms together with home Windows, Linux, Mac, and so forth. To make use of this gadget, you simply must plug USB into your laptop computer's USB port, after which plug Firestick into the HDMI port situated on the bottom. After this, you possibly can boot your Firestick utilizing Distant, after which you will discover the boot display screen, and now you're good to go. If we speak about different options of video Cs, then you should use your DSLR as a webcam, stream movies, file movies, and so forth. The worth of this gadget is even cheaper as in comparison with the HDMI Splitter, so I'd fairly suggest you go along with HDMI video Cs as a substitute. The right way to set up video Cs to use Firestick on laptop computer. Now, as we talked about earlier, that with the assistance of HDMI video Cs we will use Firestick on the laptop computer. On this manner, in case you have bought this gadget and now need to learn to set it up, then right here is the whole information for you. The method is just a little bit troublesome, so I'd counsel studying the steps rigorously and likewise test the connected screenshot beneath. So, similar to most individuals, I used to be additionally interested in it, after which I made an order for video Cs after listening to about this. Nevertheless, I simply acquired my parcel at present, after which tried with my MacBook Professional as if it actually works or not. After making an attempt for a number of hours, I additionally searched on YouTube and located some helpful tutorials there. Now, as I perceive this I'm utterly able to offer you the straightforward steps you can comply with. It's as a result of, if you search it online, chances are you'll get tutorials, however they use the difficult technique. That is the explanation why I first strive on my own, so I can inform you in easy steps. Earlier than start listed here are some necessities to make use of Firestick on laptop computer. Purchase HDMI video capture from Amazon, or from a neighborhood retailer. Download Open Broadcaster software, OBS. Micro USB cable to energy up stick. An adapter for powering Fire TV, non-compulsory. Okay. So listed here are the steps you can comply with to arrange video Cs to make use of Firestick on the laptop computer. First, plug Firestick within the HDMI port of the video Cs and join micro USB as properly. Now join HDMI video Cs to your laptop computer and likewise join USB to adapter or laptop computer to energy it up. As soon as this course is completed, now merely obtain and set up OBS software program in your machine and launch it. After launching, you'll be requested a number of permissions simply arranged by yourself, and when house display seems to click on the plus signal beneath sources. It'll present various choices out there, simply ignore them and click on the video C system. From the subsequent display screen, you'll be requested to sort the identify of supply, so sort something you need. In my case it's Firestick Lab, after which selects OK to put it aside. Right now you simply must click on the drop down menu close to system, after which choose USB video from there. After this, test the preset possibility situated beneath the gadget and select preset as excessive, after which click on OK to put it aside. You'll discover Firestick is displaying in your laptop computer, so to view it in full display, right click within the black space and go to full screen projector, preview, greater than, choose your LCD from there. Now Fireplace TV stick will seem in full display, and utilizing distant you possibly can management this and open any of your app from there. That's it. Now utilizing the above information, you possibly can simply use Firestick on laptop computer in beneath 2 minutes. By following this text, it is possible for you to apply it to Mac OS, home Windows, and even on Linux. HDMI video Cs is solely and superior utility that helps us to observe our favorite reveals on the laptop computer even when we don't have a TV. Join Firestick with laptop computer / home Windows. Within the above part, we realize the best way to use Firestick on laptop computer or laptop. However, if you wish to see Fire TV storage in your PC, then it's best to test this text as a substitute. It's a straightforward job. The place you possibly can merely join Fire TV utilizing an FTP server, after which it is possible for you to entry records data from there. This might be useful for individuals who have already got a TV, however need to share their storage to repeat or paste downloaded films, apps, video games, and so forth. To hook up with the FTP server, you'll be required an app known as S-File Explorer. For those who haven't put in this app but then you possibly can comply with this step-by-step information, install S-File Explorer on Firestick. After the app has been put in, you have to comply with the beneath steps to attach Firestick with the laptop computer. Launch S-File Explorer in your gadget, after which from House Display scroll down and choose View on PC. After this, you have to click on the flip on the button and it reveals FTP server, so keep on this display screen. Now join your laptop computer, home Windows, with a similar Wi-Fi community, after which open my laptop. Right now sort the FTP tackle into the tackle bar that you just get within the above step, after which press enter. You'll then discover some folder seams in your display screen, and these are the folders of Firestick storage. The Firestick has been linked to the laptop computer efficiently, and you'll simply copy records data from the laptop computer to Firestick immediately. That is the easiest way to share records data between PC, and you can too sideload third-party apps by copying them on inner storage. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.